The Tesla Model Y's Frunk, or front trunk, offers about 2.5 cubic feet, 71 liters of storage space. Its internal dimensions are approximately 37.6 inches wide, 8.8 inches deep, and 28.3 inches tall. This powered compartment opens automatically and is ideal for lightweight, everyday items. The Model Y's Frunk is perfect for groceries, small coolers, laptop bags, and sports gear like tennis rackets. While it won't accommodate a full golf bag or large suitcases, it's great for supplementing the main trunk, especially for urban commutes. Tesla Model Y owners have also used it for things like solar panels and portable grills for off-grid camping. The Frunk in Tesla's Model Y represents an innovative use of space in electric vehicles. Unlike traditional cars with gasoline engines, EVs repurpose the front compartment where the engine would normally sit, creating valuable storage capacity. This design maximizes the vehicle's interior space while maintaining aerodynamics, as there's no bulky engine to displace airflow. The frunk lid is powered by electricity and opens by hinging upward, providing easy access to the storage area without manual effort. The Frunk's operation is seamlessly integrated with Tesla's autopilot system. Sensors throughout the vehicle detect potential obstacles, automatically pausing the lid opening if something blocks the path to prevent damage or accidents. To maintain vehicle safety and performance, the Frunk has a weight limit of 100 to 150 pounds. This prevents excessive stress on the front suspension system, ensuring the car remains stable and handles properly. The Frunk plays a crucial role in electric vehicle design by balancing practicality with aerodynamics. This innovative storage solution maximizes usable space while maintaining the sleek, efficient shape necessary for optimal EV performance. Aerodynamics are essential for electric vehicles, where every bit of efficiency translates to extended range. The Frunk's design helps maintain smooth airflow around the vehicle, reducing drag and improving energy efficiency without compromising storage needs. The Model Y's Frunk adds 2.5 cubic feet of storage to complement the vehicle's 68 cubic feet main trunk capacity. Together, they provide flexible storage options for different needs. With rear seats folded down, the Model Y offers a total storage capacity of over 70 cubic feet. This design enhances the vehicle's versatility for hauling larger items without sacrificing the driving range that EV owners value. Frunks are rapidly becoming a standard feature across the electric vehicle market, moving beyond Tesla's pioneering design to become a competitive differentiator for EV manufacturers worldwide. Competitors like Polestar and Rivian have recognized the value of Frunks, incorporating them into their own EV designs to match Tesla's innovation and appeal to practical buyers. Current trends in Frunk design emphasize multifunctionality, with premium models integrating features like built-in charging ports for devices and even compact mini-fridges to keep items cool during travel. The overarching focus in EV Frunk design is on maximizing available space while promoting sustainability, as manufacturers repurpose traditional engine bays to create practical storage solutions that enhance the overall efficiency and appeal of electric vehicles. These evolving trends are shaping the future of EV storage, making Frunks not just a convenience feature, but a key element in sustainable vehicle design that supports everyday usability and environmental goals. Analysts predict that Frunk sizes could increase by 20 to 30% by 2030 as battery technology improves, allowing for more compact designs that free up space in the front. Future Teslas might include larger Frunks with adjustable dividers, making it easier to organize different types of cargo efficiently. Solar-powered cooling could be a feature in advanced Frunks, helping keep contents fresh during hot weather without draining the main battery. Tesla's continued software enhancements are also expected to optimize Frunk usability, with smarter integration into the vehicle's systems for seamless operation. Automotive experts from Car and Driver have praised the Model Y's Frunk as a game-changer for EV practicality, particularly for everyday use. They highlight its convenience in daily scenarios, while noting limitations with heavier loads. Edmunds experts describe the 2.5 cubic foot capacity as decent for most needs, but suggest future models should offer more depth to better accommodate bulky items. Consumer Reports gives the Model Y Frunk a rating of 4.2 out of 5 for capacity, with 85% of owners reporting it meets or exceeds their needs for short trips. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has repeatedly highlighted Frunks as a killer feature that distinguishes Teslas from traditional vehicles, emphasizing their role in enhancing EV versatility. These expert opinions collectively underscore the Model Y Frunk's value as a practical innovation in electric vehicles. Surveys reveal that 72% of Tesla owners use their Frunks at least weekly, according to J.D. Power's 2025 EV Ownership Report. This compares to just 45% of owners of other EVs with Frunks who use them weekly. For Tesla Model Y owners specifically, a survey by Tesla Motors Club found that 68% use the Frunk daily. Consumer Reports gives it a 4.2 out of 5 rating for capacity, with 85% of owners reporting it meets or exceeds their needs for short trips. According to a 2024 Kelley Blue Book survey, Frunks increased the perceived value of compact SUVs by 8%, making them a desirable feature for EV buyers.